You can make this piano sound vintage in FL Studio. Let me show you how. So I've got this basic melody. Now, as a part of making it sound old, you can actually add a detuner. Now what you want to do is open Edison. Just simply record this MIDI. Do you see the sample rate? You just want to right click on it, lower it down. The lowest is 8,000. Click on Resample to retain the tempo and then accept it. You can go lower as well. For an example, 1,000. Now this sounds way under the water. Follow for more tips like these.